नित्यानन्देश्वर सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि आदिशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome you all with my love and respects. I welcome all of you sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, two-way video conference, Facebook Live, having Nayana Diksha. Today I will expand on how the enriching and causing is a spiritual practice. Understand? Fundamentally, the purpose of the life, not just human life, is to manifest Pindanda to Brahmanda, macrocosm to microcosm, one cell amoeba to Mahasadashiva. See, whichever part you are in this long journey, you may be just having physical growth, or having physical and psychological growth, or physical and psychological and conscious growth, or whatever level you may be there in this whole journey, supporting other beings in this journey is enriching. Actually, I wanted this to be very clearly understood by everyone. That is the reason I wanted a spiritual zoo, Tapovana. Tapovana means where all these animals also manifest powers. Really, I am going to do, you will see. Actually, really, a new breed of cows manifesting powers, new breed of dogs manifesting powers, new breed of lions, tigers, snakes, peacocks manifesting powers. No, really. Wherever you are in this long journey, helping others, enriching others is a spiritual practice. Causing others reality is a spiritual practice. Even in life, whether you want more energy in the body, health, more resources in your life, wealth, more beings to live together for your love, to share your love, give and receive, relationships. Fundamental principle is coming to conclusion to enrich and cause. Only if you decide to enrich and cause, energy will start oozing in your life. Energy starts oozing in you only when you decide to enrich. It expresses as health, it expresses as love, relationships, it expresses as resource in the life like wealth. What's the biggest wealth, you know? Ability to relate with a large number of people with love is the best wealth you can have, which will never leave you. Which will never leave you. Understand? There is only two ways you can be wealthy. The organic way of wealthy is ability to relate with multiple people with energy. Toxic way of relating is ruling. Fundamentally, ruling is toxic way of relating. All human beings should be given a chance of love relationship only if he or she is not even mature to relate with that love relationship. I have seen when you shower your love, people think you are innocent and you can be cheated. Then no other way they should be ruled, because they want that only. They come and tell, rule me, only then I will be disciplined. Otherwise, I myself do not have any discipline. I don't trust me. I can't control me. You control me. That's a toxic way of relationship. No. Organic relationship is ability to love, and through love, ability to relate with more and more and more number of people, beings. Organic wealth is your ability to enrich and inspire, get involved in people's life. I tell you, even if you don't have this capacity, love to relate with people, learn it. That will be the best training you can have in the life. Whatever you want to become, this is the fundamental training. This will make you successful. I bless you all. Understand, simple, straightforward, integrated, hard work. I am back to basics. I don't believe in all this smart work. I believe in hard work. When you do the hard work, the strategy you evolve automatically is smart work. No. So I am very simple, straightforward villager. You are a being for me, not number. So I'll attend to each one of you and cause your reality. That's all. I'll be Sadashiva for each one of you. You don't need to come to me because I was Sadashiva for somebody else. If I am Sadashiva for you, come to me. So I'll be Sadashiva for you. The essence of today's satsang. Essence of today's satsang is I'll be Sadashiva for you. I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, Sada Shivoham, the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.